Winner, winner, chicken dinner. First things first, are you ready to make some fork tender, creamy chicken? Well then let's start with roasting the garlic. Slice off the top of one bulb of garlic so the cloves are exposed, and then we're gonna grab a piece of tin foil, place the garlic bulb, exposed cloves facing up, in the middle, and we're gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and season with salt. We're gonna cover it up and place in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour or until the cloves are nicely browned and tender. Up next is the chicken, 2 chicken breasts that you're gonna slice in half. You can use chicken thighs as well if you want. Next, we're gonna place some plastic wrap on top of your sliced chicken breasts and pound them out a bit. Remove to a plate, and in another plate, add some flour and season with salt and garlic powder and give a mix, and then flour your chicken breasts. The flour is going to help with our pan sauce and to help thicken it up a bit. Time to cook. In a large enough pan to hold all the chicken breasts, add a nice glug of extra virgin olive oil and a nice knob of butter on medium heat. And that, you see, is a basil stem. We are using fresh torn basil in this recipe, but I want to infuse the oil and the butter, so why not use the basil stem? Once everything is hot enough, you're gonna add your chicken and brown both sides. Don't worry about fully cooking the chicken, as we will finish cooking it in the sauce later on. So remove the chicken and the basil stem, then add half of a small yellow onion that is finely chopped and saute a bit until softened. Then we're gonna add 3 to 4 garlic cloves that are thinly sliced or finely chopped, and season with salt and some chili flakes if you want some heat. Now we're gonna deglaze with a splash of white wine, but you can use chicken stock as well if you don't wanna use alcohol. And our roasted garlic is done. We're gonna squeeze out all those cloves and mash them into a bowl before adding to the pan. Mix it all in, and then bring the heat down to low, medium. And add 250 ml of heavy cream and whisk everything in. Add some fresh torn basil and continue to reduce the cream sauce. I'm also gonna add a bit of freshly grated nutmeg along with some freshly cracked pepper. Continue to whisk and cook down the cream sauce, and when it's about done, we're gonna finally grate in some Reggie, Parmigiano Reggiano, as much as you like. This will help thicken it up a bit as well. Then we're gonna place the chicken back into the pan and finish cooking it. It's gonna warm the chicken, the sauce is all gonna come together, and you could do this for about 10 to 15 minutes, shaking and flipping the chicken often. Then we're gonna finish with some more fresh torn basil, the zest of half a lemon, and plate it up. Add some more cream sauce on top, more Parmigiano Reggiano, maybe even some more lemon zest, more basil, and freshly cracked pepper, and bring it to the table. Tons of flavor here. Creamy, garlicky, basil-y, lemony, oniony, cheesy. And the chicken is fork tender. I hope you give this recipe a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.